Okay, now we are starting question number five. In question number five, they are saying the diagram shows a part of a circle with center 2 and the radius 4. This is radius 4, and the chord PQ of length is 4 and the root 3 centimeter, and the POQ is equals to theta radians. Okay, the point X lie on the circle. In part A, they are saying find the exact value of theta. So first of all, so we have to find the exact value of theta to find this value. Okay. So what we will do in this, we will use a cosine rule. How we use a cosine rule? So the formula for cosine rule is a square is equal small a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc and cos of capital A. This capital A is this. Okay. So so when what is small a? This is the small a. This is small c and this is small. Okay. So now when we solve it, so small a is 4 square root of 3 whole square is equals to 4 square plus 4 square minus 4 uh, and like this and cos of a, which means we have cos of this. Okay, so in the place of a, I can add cos of theta, cos theta. Okay, so cos theta. So 4 square root of 3 whole square is equals to 48, and this will be 32 minus 32 and cos theta. So 32 cos theta is equals to 32 minus 48. So 32 cos theta is equals to uh, 32 minus 40 is equals to minus 16. So cos of theta is equals to minus 16 divided by 32. So theta is equals to cos of inverse minus 16 over 32. So when we do cos of inverse, your calculator must be in latent mode because they have said in the question that theta is equals to latent. Okay. So when you will do the question of circular measure, your calculator must be in latent mode. So cos of inverse minus 16 over 32. So the answer we got is 2 upon 3. Theta is equals to 2 upon 3. So this is the value of theta. Again, now part B. They are saying find the exact area of segment PXQ. So we have to find the area of segment PXQ. We have to find this. So for this area of segment, so we have the formula to find the area of segment, which is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle POQ. Okay, this is the area of triangle. This is the area of triangle. Area of formula is area of sector plus area of triangle POQ. Okay, where is area of sector? This is the area of sector. Okay, so when you do the formula for area of sector is 1 upon 2 r square theta. So r means radius, so 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 square and so for area of sector we will be using this theta. we will be using this theta. Yes, or theta. And for area of sector theta, we will be using this. So this will be 2 pi minus theta. So what is theta? Theta is 2 upon 3 pi. Okay. So 1 upon 2 r square theta. So so theta will be 2 pi minus 2 upon 3 pi plus. For area of triangle formula, we will be using 1 upon 2 AB. So the formula for area of triangle will be 1 upon 2 into A. Yes, 1 upon 2 into A into B into sine C. If for the sine C, we will be using 2 upon 3 pi. And for B, we will be using 4 and 4. Okay. And A is 4, B is also 4. Because look, this is A, this is B for area of triangle, and we will be using sine C, which is for sine C, we use the theta's value, so this is 2 upon 3. Okay, so now this will be sine 2 upon 3 pi. So when we will be doing 1 upon 2 whole bracket 4 whole square and bracket 2 pi minus 2 upon 3 pi. So the answer will be 32 upon 3 pi. 32 upon 3 pi plus 1 upon 2. Now we are doing for this 1 upon 2 bracket 4 and sine 2 upon 3 pi. So this will be equals to 4 under root 3. So when we add these things, 3 upon 2 pi plus 4 under root 4 under root 3. The answer we got is yes. Yes, wait a minute. 32 upon 3 pi is equals to yes 1 upon 2 whole bracket 4 square 2 pi minus 2 upon 3 pi is equals to 32 upon 3. So 32 upon 3 pi is 33.5 plus 4 square root of 3 is equals to 6.9. 6.93. 6.93. So 32 to 33.5 plus 6.93 is equals to 40.43. 40.4. Okay, 40.4. Okay, so this is our also this is the answer, and this is also our answer. Okay, okay. So you can add like this the answer, and you can also write like this. So now moving to question number 6. Okay, in question number 6, they are saying diagram shows the graph of y is equals to x cube and y is equals to fx. The graph of y equals to x cube is transformed to the graph of y equals to fx by a sequence of transformations. Describe fully a suitable sequence of transformations. Make clear order in which the transformations are applied. So what you will do, you will first see in the graph, see in the question that here is the x cube graph and this is the transformed graph, which is y equals to fx. Okay, so You have to first see the coordinates. So what are the coordinates? Look here. These coordinates are 0, comma 0. Okay. And this is 1 unit. Okay. And when it is transformed, so look, from here it is transformed to here now. So we have to check how much unit it has been transformed. So 0, 1, 2. So 2 units it has been transformed. 2 units. Okay. So the first description we got is that it is a stretch. Okay, it is a stretch by factor 2. Why 2? Because we have 2 units. Factor 2 uh, parallel to y-axis. Okay, it has been transformed. Stretch. So it has, sorry, my screen was stopped. So it has been stretched by factor 2 because we have 2 units and it is stretched to the parallel to y-axis. Okay. First description we have discovered, right? Okay. Second description will be so for fully suitable sequential transformation for describe, when we have question about describe, you have to tell about what it has been done and we have to tell about the translation vector. So how we will find the translation vector? You see that this is a point. So 0, 1, 2. So we have to check our unit that's went. Okay. So we will start from here because here is a turning point. Here is a turning point. And where is the turning point? For this, here is a turning point. So we will check from this. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3. 3 units, right? 3 units, right? And this is the turning point now. So we have to check. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 units down. 4 units down. So what will be translation vector? Translation vector will be 3 and -4. Why -4? Because it has been down. 4 units down. That's why we will use -4. It will be if this will be up. If it will be up, so we will use +4. Okay, and if it is right, so we have done positive. If it will be left, so we will use -3. Okay, so I think that this part is clear to you. Okay, now in part B, they are saying you are given that f of x is equals to this a bracket x plus b whole q plus c. State the values of constant a, b, and c. So first of all, we have to check from we have to make first the equation. So how we will make the equation? So for this, look here we have stretch vector 2, and what is the original equation? The original equation is x cube. Y is equals to x cube. So y is equals to this stretch vector will be multiplied by x cube. So this will be 2x cube. Now, now we will use this translation vector. So we have +3. So when y is equals to 2 bracket x -3 whole cube. This has been done in inside the junction. Okay. And what will be the outside? Outside will be positive. Okay. Why? Because here it is positive. So when we have put in bracket, it will be negative, and here it is positive. Okay. So what are the values of A, B, and C? So A value is 2, B value is negative 3, and C value is positive 4. So this is our final answer for question number 6 part B. Okay, because look, 2, so here is A2 and X it will be same, and this B will be negative 3 and this C will be positive 4. I hope you got the point of the transformations and circular measure. Thank you very much. Allah.